guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but we're heading down the river, the Ashburton River Run 2020. It's not normally the sort of off-roading that me and Matt are into. We more do the technical stuff, but we figured, hey, why not go along and watch the carnage? We'll keep ourselves out of trouble and just document the day, because it should be pretty entertaining, that's for sure. Anyway, we're going to head down to the river, so let's get to it. Alrighty guys, well everyone's about to head off. It seems like the unofficial start has started, so we're going to get into it and see what chaos ensues. I'm thinking it's a suit as well. This is what the poke run's known for. Far out. Oh no! That's really working that word. That's insane to think that's on 40s. I guarantee the snorkel sucked some in there.
Yeah, look at it smoking.
He just totally...
Oh look, he's ripped his bumper off.
That truck's not going to run much longer now. Oh, he's still moving.
Carry on, Facing commitment.
Good on him. Insane, eh? Guys, we've been going pretty good in the disco, but just heard the spring pop out and had a look here and blowing the top of the shock off. So yeah, so now the spring's dislocating and we've got no shock on the left hand side, so I've been bouncing around hitting bump stops. So that sucks, but oh well, it is what it is. Probably not much carnage compared to what a lot of the people are going to come away with, but yeah, we'll keep on keeping on and keep watching the shenanigans. Yes. We're going to drop onto the sill, right? Slowly, slowly. Yep, dude. Fuel tank. guys. Well, hopefully you can hear me over the wind and that Zook scream, and made it down to the beach. Successful trip. Plenty of entertainment. Don't know if we'll be back next year, but good time all the less. Anyway, I don't know if this is it. You can probably tell by the timeline below as if we've got heaps more to go. I don't know if we'll be taking a road back or whether we'll be going back up the river, but we made it, so that's going to be good. I was tempted to point him in because I thought it'd be funny, but I knew that. As you can see, we're back at the start point. We bombed back up the riverbed. I don't know what everyone else is doing, but me and Matt, we're both ready to head home. It's been a good day. Probably won't do it again. It's a bit different to the usual sort of thing we do. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, stay tuned for more. Go to watch our channel for some other videos of the more typical stuff that we do. We've got some awesome trips over the west coast coming up. Soon we'll have the other truck back on the road, so stay tuned for that. And anyway, I think that's about it. Cheers guys, we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.